Hi guys, so today I didn't know what to film, but I had to come on YouTube and say hello to you guys, so I figured why not do a giveaway. The last time I was here was, I believe I uploaded on Friday if I'm not mistaken, and I have to show my face on YouTube. Like, I love YouTube, but I haven't had a chance to like come back, and I'm like, what am I gonna do? And I have no idea. So I figured why not do a giveaway that gets people coming. Yeah? So if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Paint Me Pretty Cynthia A, and if you're my loyal subscribers, hi guys. So if you want to see what I'm giving away, then please, please stay tuned. Please stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm super excited to show you guys what I'm giving away. I am going to show you some swatches of the palette that I am giving away, and I'm sure you already know because of the thumbnail, but I still want to show you the palette, and I want to show you some swatches, and then of course I'm going to tell you the rules and all that. So yeah, let's get this started. Okay, before I even start, I want my hair shorter. Like, I cut it already, and I want it like to like here, like hitting my collarbones. Is that called collarbones? Okay guys, so the palette that I'm giving away is the Soft Glam by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love it so much, guys. You don't understand. I love it as much as I like my Modern Renaissance so much. Now, I have the two other ones that I didn't love so much, but I still have them. I never return them because I'm hoping that there's a miracle happens with this. But it doesn't, so yeah. Yes, I do want to let you guys know that at the moment I am doing a giveaway, and it's a Marizi highlighter. Yeah, so if you guys didn't know that, on my Instagram I'm doing a giveaway. The giveaway is over on Friday, so if you guys have not entered, please do. What you have to do is subscribe to my channel here, then go to Instagram and follow the rules there. You can comment on this video if you would like. If you do not have Instagram, I made it super easy, but if you do have Instagram, please go to the Instagram and tag whatever I said. I don't remember. Just go on Friday. It's over, and then I will announce the winner, I believe on Friday, or give me a couple days or whatever. Okay, just letting you guys know there is a giveaway at the moment, and it's not done, so don't forget about this, because this highlight is the bomb. But back to this, not my hair, even though I want to cut it more. To here. Okay, so back to this. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. She did a wonderful month. It's just as good as the first. Well, I don't think this is her first one, because I have another Anastasia eyeshadow palette, and it has a colorful one. Hold on, I'm gonna get it. I don't know where I put it at. Please don't look at my outfit, okay? I look long. Well, here I look fine. It's down here, and I'm like, ah. Okay, so I don't know where I put it at, but I do have another Anastasia. I think it's one of the first ones that I bought. Here it is. Yeah. Alright, so this Anastasia Beverly Hills, this eyeshadow palette that I have of hers. So I'm not really sure which one was first. I'm assuming this one was first. Who knows? This one's really good. And then, of course, the Modern Renaissance, very good. And then the Soft Glam. And you know what I like about the Soft Glam? Is that it's all natural, and that is my type of eyeshadow look. Like, I'm not really bold. Like, this is Anastasia, and it's pretty bold for my taste, but I wanted to do something to pop because I knew I was going to be far away from the camera. But I'm really not a big, colorful girl. Like, I like more natural-ish look. I've always been like that. I think that the more makeup I wear, the older I look. Alright guys, so the first color that she has is called Temporary, and it's the lightest one. So this is usually when you put your concealer on to carve out your eyebrows, then you put this color on top, because you always want to put a light color all over that concealer. Otherwise, when you put your transition color on, it's going to look patchy, and you definitely don't want that, because then you'll be pissed off and then you'll throw the eyeshadow palette at the wall. I'm just kidding, but you know what I mean. Like, when you start doing the eyeshadow look, if you don't put this light one on, forget it. You're gonna have patchiness and no good whatsoever. Okay guys, so the second one that she has in the palette, the first row, second one in, is called Glistening, and it looks like this, guys, and it has a little bit of glistening, like I wouldn't say shimmer, it just has a little bit of metallic look. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, do you guys see this? I love this type of look. a little bit of metallic, but not too much. This is so beautiful. And oh, I meant to tell you guys that they blend so well. It's not even funny. Like, I spend money on this just like I spend money on the other ones, and I'm so happy that I was just worth my money. I think it was like $45, just like these were, and I spent $90. I never returned them, but this was worth the money. And I bought two of them, one for you guys, one for me. So yeah. Anyway, so the third one in the first row is called Orange Soda, and it looks exactly like an orange soda, or even those popsicle. I forget the name of it, but I know it's orange something. I forget, but you guys know what I'm talking about. The orange creamsicles, I don't know, but it looks just like that. Stop, ready. Oh my god, so nice, so freaking nice. Moving on, it is the rose pink, and it looks like this, guys, and it's so beautiful because it does have a little bit more of a metallic-y look to it, but it's like a rose, well, it is rose pink, rose gold, not rose gold, rose pink. Oh, Dios mío, it's rose pink, and as you can see, it just has that metallic look, and it's just amazing. Okay guys, so the next one in the palette is called Sultry. I can't say the word, but I think I'm pronouncing it right. It's just my accent doesn't let me. And it looks like this, guys. Oh my god, like it has like a, I don't know, I'm gonna say like a rusted metallic-y brownie, I don't know, just beautiful, as you can see in this video. This is such a pretty color that I need to like hurry up and do a look with it. Yeah. Okay guys, so moving on is the color bronze, and I don't know why it's the color bronze, because when I think of bronze, I think of like the bronze color, not like gold. But it looks like this, and this is absolutely beautiful. Again, I don't think of bronze when I am swatching this. It's just gold to me, and it's just beautiful, and I wish I could just put this, I wish I could put it all over my body. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, it's so nice. All right, so moving on, the last one in the first row is called Mulberry, and it looks like this. It is matte, and it is like a berry color. It has a little bit of that plum color underneath with brown. It's absolutely beautiful color, guys. I know that I keep saying that they're beautiful colors. They really are. And what I like the most of the color is that they are blending. They blend very well on my eyes, and they're more of a neutral color that's more in my alley. Like I said, I don't like really bold color. Today I did wear bold, just so you can see that you can make it more of a neutral bold color, but like I don't like a lot of like, I don't know, yellows and blues all together in one, like that unicorn look. I like it on other people. I don't like it on me. That's not my personality. I'm more like, not subtle, because I'm a little crazy, but with my makeup I'm a little bit more subtle. Does that make sense? I don't know. I just don't like really colorful rainbow look on my eyes, but I think it looks wonderful on other people's eyes. Not to say I've never done it before, but I think I've done it more so for look for you guys versus my personal use every day. I won't put that on. It's just not me. Okay guys, so moving on to the second row. First one in the second row is called Dusty Rose. I actually have Dusty Rose on. That was my transition color. Beautiful. It's like a soft purple. It says rose, but to me it reminds me of more like a grayish purple, if that makes sense. Beautiful. It looks like this, guys. I am obsessed with this color. It's a beautiful transition color. It pops a little bit. It has a little bit of rose, but mostly like a little bit of purple in there and a little bit of grayish in there, and that's why I like it. Like, it's a little different. I can't like grasp what color it is. It is matte, guys. Beautiful matte color. Love it. Alright, so moving on to the next color. Second row down, second one in is called Fairy. And this one's more metallic-ish, gold, yellowish. Beautiful color. Oh my god, guys, do you see this? Now, it does remind me a little bit of the bronze. The bronze have, I guess the bronze is a little bit more bronzer. And now I guess that's how I see why they call one bronze and one fairy. But I still see gold-ish on the bronze one. But anywho's, it's absolutely stunning as well as the bronze one. I'm just loving these colors so much. Oh my god. Okay guys, so third one in second row is called Burnt Orange. And this orange is kind of the family of the orange soda. So if you're gonna do a transition color, you will start with maybe the orange soda and then go down to the burnt orange. Just kind of build up that transition color. It's absolutely beautiful. It does have a little bit of like brownish undertones, like orange, brownish, as you can see here. It does have a little bit, it's thrown a little bit of brown in there, soft browns, and of course the orange. I love this as transitions, you know, like kind of building it up. You're gonna continue hearing I love each freaking color because I do. Like this, like I said, this is me. This is all me. Like when I go to IMAX next week, this is coming with me. Like I think this is perfect for an everyday, and then you can intensify a little bit more at night. Like this is probably gonna be the only thing I'm taking. Okay guys, so the next one is called Sienna, and the Sienna one looks like this. It does have a rust look. It does have some like orange underneath, but that's usually what rust is. It has reds, orange, and brown, and it's exactly like rust. When your bobby pin stays in the shower and it rusts up, that's the same color I'm showing you guys right now. And it's matte, so if you wanted to mix orange soda, burnt orange, and then Sienna after, just to keep building your transition color, those three colors are amazing together. The next one is called Rust, and the rust color is a brown. It's a very light, it kind of reminds me of chocolate, like milk chocolate versus dark chocolate. Build it up to make it a little bit darker, but it doesn't go as dark as dark chocolate. The next one is called Cypress Umber. In Cypress Umber, if you continue building it, it does look like a dark chocolate, maybe a little less than dark chocolate, but more than the milk chocolate color. Okay guys, so last but not least is the black, and I have the black on. It blends really well. I'm gonna show you the black on my arm, but you guys know how black is, but sometimes black turns into gray, and this one is just a nice dark black. And of course you can build it and continue building it, but it's just a dark black, and once you blend it, it's just amazing. I mean, I have it on. I didn't put any liner on today. I just used my eyeshadow as a liner. Very subtle, but I love it. Okay guys, so time for the good part. I'm gonna tell you guys the rules, and then once you follow the rules, then you're enter. So the number one rule, I will have a link below, and it says Gleam on it. Tap that Gleam link and it will take you to Gleam, and you will register on there. You also have to go into my Instagram and tag 3 people and then tag me, so I know that you did follow rules, guys. Unfortunately, if you're not following me on Instagram and you do not have an Instagram on this particular giveaway, I will not accept just going through Gleam. It may enter you, but I will know if you are on Gleam and also if you are following me on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram and you do not have an Instagram account, I'm sorry, but it will not put you in the contest. So okay, so you have to go into Gleam, and then you have to go into my Instagram account, tag 3 people and tag me. I also would like for you guys to put in the bottom of this video palette, and also in my Instagram I want you to put palette. So yeah, those are the rules. So with that said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and good luck to everyone that enters. And the day that I will be announcing the winner is, I believe, April 27th. Yes, it is a Friday. I will not be announcing it on here. I will be announcing it on my Instagram picture. So I will DM you if you want. I also will put it on the top that you want, and you can just go check on there when April 27th comes around. So with that said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please thumbs it up, please comment, and please do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys again within 2 to 3 days. I love you guys so much.